Your vegan virginity was stolen from you. Don't freak out. I'm going to explain it. Just look at this for a second. It's your vegan virginity, okay? It's not your sexual virginity. Your vegan virginity. I'm going to go over the lesson with you, but I want you to do something else, all right? And this is because a lot of people I've noticed from my TikTok lives do not know how to read. I know it might seem crazy to you, but they actually have a lot of trouble, and I'm talking full-grown adults, even at university level, have a hard time reading out loud. So we're going to practice that while we're at it. After all, I am an English teacher, okay? So I have some cards here for you. I want you guys to read out loud with me. Try it. Actually move your mouth, all right? We're going to learn why I say that you were born vegan. Okay, so this is card number 1. Let's read together. Why we say you were born vegan. You were born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals. When you were little, if you were put in a room with a rabbit and a banana, it would never have occurred to you to bite the bunny. Your instinct would have been to love and protect the rabbit, not harm her. When you were small, you played with toys that look like animals, and you loved to learn about them in books. Sadly, over time, you were brainwashed to pay people to murder and steal from animals instead of being taught to remain vegan. Thankfully, though, you can go back to your roots and be vegan again. Join us and make today your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. All right. So that's an example of a card that I use on my TikTok channel when I'm doing my lives. Now look at this, by the way, in case you're curious. See how that side's backwards? That's because everything's backwards. And when you guys are reading it from that side, I can read it from the other side. But there's more, all right? If I haven't convinced you yet. Now remember, while we're reading, think about the little bunny rabbit and think about you when you were little. If you had seen a bunny and a banana, how it never would have occurred to you to bite into the bunny. You know it. All right, now let's look again at now part 2, okay? Second card. I want you to continue to read out loud with me. You can do it. Number 2, why we say you were born vegan. The good news is that you can return to your roots and you can be vegan again. It's not your fault that your parents shoved dead body parts down your throat. You trusted them and didn't know the difference between a mashed up carrot and a murdered cow. Your parents didn't know better. They just did what everyone else around them did. So don't waste time being angry with them. Just teach them what you know now by watching important vegan documentaries together and Googling vegan recipes to share. And an example of a vegan documentary would be Cowspiracy, Seaspiracy, Dominion Movement, What the Health, The Game Changers. There's a lot of them. All right? Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel to learn more.
These are the videos everyone should watch. Dominion, Earthlings, Cowspiracy, Seaspiracy, What the Health, The Game Changers, Forks Over Knives, Oak Chop. These are the videos everyone should watch.
Let's keep going. When we know better, we can choose to do better. So let's choose to be vegan again the way we were meant to be all along. All right? So to sum up, you can get your vegan virginity back. You never wanted to hurt animals. Your vegan virginity was taken away from you. And now we know that everybody can be vegan at all stages of development. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that you can be vegan as you are pregnant, as you are nursing your newborn baby, and your newborn baby can be vegan at age 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up until they're 100 or more. Okay, so you know you can be healthy. Just make sure you eat properly. Don't just feed your baby random stuff, or even you. Eat healthy whole foods that are in their most natural state. A great thing to do is just ask ChatGPT, name me 25 whole foods that are vegan that I should eat on a regular basis, and you'll get a list. All right? Thanks a lot for listening, guys. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you will subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to continue to be vegan again. Let's go. You ready to be vegan? I'm gonna help you out. First of all, remember that being vegan is about not exploiting animals. But of course, you're also going to be extremely healthy. Just remember to take your vegan multivitamin with B12 and D3 every day, and you're on your way. These are vegan foods you should eat. Just fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Just fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Tofu, tempeh, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, quinoa, oats, brown rice, buckwheat, potatoes, broccoli, spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, and seaweed like nori. Oh, and don't forget to absorb the iron in your spinach smoothie. Add fruits rich in vitamin C. These are vegan foods you should eat. Just fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Just fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Bananas, oranges, pomegranates, chia seeds, hazelnuts, walnuts, peanut butter toast with pumpkin seeds and blueberries. Vegan pizza, vegan pasta, onions, garlic, turmeric, cauliflower, curry, seitan, dates, and cranberries. Cocoa. Oh no, this list of vegan foods is too long. I'll never fit them all into one song. Anyway, just go to the grocery store and get a rainbow of different colors. Stay away from the morgue part of the grocery store. Stay away from the cemetery section. You can do it. Let's sing some more. These are vegan foods you should eat. Just fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Just fruits, nuts, grains, and seeds. These are vegan foods you should eat. Okay, let's talk about what's wrong with the carnivore diet. First of all, they lack nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Also, it's not good for your gut microbiome. You increase your risk of cancer, heart attacks, diabetes, and strokes. So ethically and environmentally, it's not good for animals, you, or the planet. Okay, one thing I have to be honest with you about is that when you become vegan, you're going to encounter something called veganphobia. Don't worry though, this has nothing to do with you. The fact of the matter is that people are jealous of vegans. They know that what we're doing is right. They know that our choices are best for the animals and the planet. It's just that they think for some reason that they can't be like us. But of course they can. So they'll make all kinds of jokes, they'll call you soy boy, and you'll just remind them that soy is high in protein, in nutrients, it's gut friendly, and you'll say,